Hello and welcome to all and delicious aloo dum. And here the fire goes on, and as the pan is heated, I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoon of mustard oil. And once the mustard oil is heated, adding half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 bay leaf, grated ginger, grated garlic, and in goes 1 grated chili. Stirring and frying for 20 to 30 seconds, adding onion puree, mixing it well, adding tomato puree, and then mixing it well. In goes 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili to give a color, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, stirring and mixing it well. Now goes 2 teaspoon of curd into the masala that I am preparing, stirring and mixing it well. Now adding 1/4 cup of water into the pan and then stirring it slowly. Now adding the 4 boiled potatoes and mixing it with the masala, and you see the aloo dum is prepared. Adding some salt to taste, half teaspoon of sugar into it, but this is completely optional. Stirring and mixing it well. Now adding half cup of water into it. Stirring into it and mixing the water until the gravy is prepared. And now you see the aloo dum is ready to be served hot. Lastly, adding chopped coriander leaves to give a taste to it. Wow, the aloo dum is now ready to be served. Transferring it into the bowl for eating hot with either chapati or paratha, and for you to enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.